Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We've got a unique week. I'm going to be ranking my most used crypto hardware wallets. So that's coming out Wednesday, and then Friday we've got another Kopi video. We're gonna be claiming some rewards. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. I want to hear your questions, your thoughts, and opinions. I've heard quite a few comments regarding the board jerky, so I want to get into that. I did take shares, so I've got the Phantom shares. I believe in this project long term. I'm just hedging my bet because I think these guys can get into the retail stores, etc. So guys, comment down below. My eye is still messed up, so dealing with the sty there, but it's still fine. The moose is still picking up crypto, and I really want to talk about this dip right now. So Bitcoin just went under 60K right now, and that's why I'm basically making this video geared around the market. So this is a crypto market update. Bitcoin 59,000. We're down 10% on the week. I want to talk about kind of what's happening, dive into that a little bit. So the Bitcoin rainbow chart, I want to get into that a little bit. But comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions as well. Guys, I also updated the link tree. So if you guys have not picked up a hardware wallet yet, I finally got this organized to a point where I think it looks cool. So it's really cool. It looks nifty on your phone as well. So if you guys have not picked up a hardware wallet, we got Tangem save up to 25% off your Trezors, your LE Pals, Kivos. I'd like to have a Ledger one, so I've been sending them voicemails and telling them like, look, you guys are missing out on the moose, and you guys need to get me involved. So just click the link, use code Moose for the Tangem. You can get the 2-card set under $50, so that's pretty cool if you ask me. I also have a drip drops link for you, so if you guys want to claim your drip drop rewards, put in your address, see what you're eligible to claim. So I have links for you guys, so you can start doing that. Start liking these videos as well. Let's blow us up. If you guys have not picked up a file node, do that as well. You only have a few days left. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a crypto moose. Like, how are you going to explain that? NVL staking. I have links for that. Meld. Look at this, guys. Direct links to meld.com. So I'm getting things organized, swift, and accessible. So as you watch the channel, when I talk about things, use this as your support system, right? So we have a lot of online courses. These are floating around on Udemy. I believe I'm at 580,000 students, so which is wild to me. So I've been teaching people across the globe. So this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Let's get into this. This is going to be pretty epic, and getting into the price. So we'll go back and forth. Right now, again, we just a few minutes ago we went under 60K USD. And the main reason being is because we're post-halving and things will ramp up. People are getting bored right now. Okay, not a lot happening with crypto. Election year, so if Trump gets in, it's going to be, well, tremendous if you guys want to go that route. If Biden gets in, I don't even think he's aware of what's going on. I'm Canadian anyways, so I'm more of a libertarian. So I look at all perspectives, but I would like to see a pro-crypto president. Not sure about what you guys think as well. Perhaps Vivek would have been a great candidate as well. So anyways, politics aside, in general, I think it would be good to have positivity regarding the quality crypto digital assets, right? So that's a big reason for what we're seeing right now. But on the week, I mean, if we take a look here, Singularity Net's doing all right, but the memes are getting hammered. So you got to be careful. That's why I always mention you should have a small position on your memes if you're getting into it. I mean, I'll be transparent. I have, a couple of tokens I can't even say out loud. The names are so egregious. But I do this for the channel, and it's kind of fun to degen with a couple $100 here and there. I did well with the GameStop. So this is just a hot wallet. I have some Bird Dog. This thing got hammered. I'm basically holding some Soul on here, just some Tangent referrals, and just playing around with that. There's some other tokens that the names are just crazy. Um, Anyways, we'll talk about that later. This is more for fun, but what you're going to notice is that the meme tokens get crushed, right? So you got Bitcoin kind of moves the market. It accounts for 50% of the market cap. And then the memes get hammered. And then, the layer twos, they take time. But I think right now is a wonderful time to entry back in. So I'm looking to find a decent moment. I think the moment's probably now, in my opinion, to start accumulating, like Cardano, some of the layer twos that will really spike up. But it is dangerous because we could keep going lower. Bitcoin could go to 40K. It could. It could go to 50K first, obviously. It will be difficult, but it's just the way it goes, right? People play these markets. We could easily dip down before we go back up. Looking at the rainbow chart, as the Moose calls the pride chart, it looks like typically post halving, right? So this is the cycles of crypto. Typically, a couple months, a year after the halving, we go to all-time highs. So we're crossing that, and we could see a little dip. So right here, it's similar to the past cycles, right? And this is just mathematically kind of baked in and what's going on. But in 2016, yeah, I remember this vividly. It was the first time Bitcoin went to a K. Then boom. No, not the first time it went to a K. Was it? Yeah, it was. So you have this trend here, right? Where, what is that? 2012. Yeah, like a year later, guys. Like this is where we want to be looking. You want to position yourself, right? So position yourself so that you catch what is coming, right? It's very simple. That's kind of what you want to do, right? What you're doing today is what's going to happen in the future is a reflection of where you position yourself earlier. So especially with crypto. So it's been tough. It's been a tough 3 to 4 years in crypto, right? It's been very difficult, but I think there's a lot of opportunity here to do well. So 2020, here's the main one, right? Like talking about $10,000, it dipped down to 7, and that would have been a great spot to get it before where we're at still today. So then we dipped down, Bitcoin at 21, and then kind of floating around. I think we'll be around, I think 200 to 300,000. I think it's 250 kind of where I've been thinking for Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but that's what makes sense to the Moose. So a year after, we'll be in 2025. I think summer 2025 will be around. I think we might hit 300,000. And then of course we'll go back down to 140, 150, could be as low as 80 grand. So you're going to want to probably take some profits next summer. That's what I've been learning. Okay. So that's Bitcoin. A lot happening. Largest decentralized store of value. The GOAT. Ethereum, you're probably going to see a ETF coming soon. So with Ethereum, right, you have the first all-purpose based blockchain. It's really hard to talk with this ear. It's like I'm Lou Ferrigno or something. But, Ethereum could really spike, especially because of the ETF, right? So a lot of people made a lot of money with the Bitcoin ETF. They're going to want to do the same with ETH, with the other layer twos that are, I guess you could call them smart contract based, all purpose based chains. But then you have Tether. Who knows what will happen with that? Solana's taking a hit right now. But I still see Solana as a winner in the short term. Not long term. Long term, I think ADA is there. But short term, this cycle, I think Solana's got a lot to prove. We're starting to see that happen. XRP, I haven't talked about it too much. I don't know. I don't know if I'm a big XRP believer. I own like $30 worth. Like, I don't have anything significant. Ton could do good. Telegram. Doge. Doge is the king of memes, right? Tron I've been liking a little bit more. It's just been around a while. Chainlink. The real winner here too is DOT. talk about Gavin Wood, the pair chains, and the interoperability play in crypto. This could be, I mean, you're talking about something around $5. Whew. This sucker could go to like $100 this cycle. It's something I've been thinking about. Along with ADA, I think ADA is going to do really well, really well. So yeah, that's about it. I think the main thing is we're heading near an election. That's going to be a lot going on around the world with that. A lot of different ideologies, a lot of different things with technology and AI and war. You could see the first pro Bitcoin president, which it's going to be a Bitcoin race in that sense, I think. It's going to be a pivotal moment, but at the end of the day, I just don't. You have to understand that Bitcoin is not going away, because people mess things up, but mathematics, man, like they're pretty true. Bitcoin with the fixed supply, getting more decentralized. Other chains too, just looking spectacular. You got Cardano, just probably my favorite altcoin, one of them. I'm liking others. I still like my Meld, my Kopi, my Igon. I like NVL right now. D-Pin plays. That's looking good to me. My top three, I mean, I did videos on this, but I've been picking up. I did a video, my 5 cryptos I'm buying now. Check it out. But I got Kopi, Solana, MinSwap, Bitcoin, and ADA. Those are my clear winners, in my opinion. So, look at the moose trying to be all fancy here. Looking like a douche there. What is going on? Look at that with the mug. Like, what was this guy thinking? What is he thinking? So yeah, man. I mean, look at that one too. Like, what was going on? I swear the moose was sober here. So guys, check out the link tree. Do some research. If you guys need to learn more, take an online course. Pick up a Tangent. You have to protect your assets. If you're protecting yourself in the bedroom, got to protect your crypto as well. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below what you want to see in the future. Peace.